Hi! Alright guys, so today I basically made my version of a fall look. I used a lot of browns, a lot of red, orangey tinted colors, and a lot of tans to make this look. It's pretty simple, it's nothing special. I am not a makeup guru. I thought this would just be fun because my favorite season is finally here and I can just sit back even though it's Florida and it's still hot and humid. It's okay. It's okay. I'm just happy my favorite season is here even though I still live in Florida. It's just, you can't do anything about the heat or the humidity, so I'm just trying to enjoy the pumpkin spice. I'm trying to enjoy everything that comes along with fall. Before I get started, I just want to let you guys know, thank you so much for watching. I know I'm not like the best at uploading as much as I should be or I want to. It's just I've been really busy with school and I think I talked about this in my last video. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you think of my makeup look. I know I'm not a professional, but dang, you know, say something nice to your girl if you want to. But yeah, so let's just get started. So first, I'm just gonna prime my face with this e.l.f. primer. Next, I do my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil. And I like to blend this out by using a flat head makeup brush. After that, I use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I also damp my beauty blender just to get a better application. I make sure to get all over my cheeks, near my ear, forehead, and neck area, just so everything is blended correctly. And we're done with that. Next, I'll use my concealer just to lighten up certain areas of my face. Next, I like going in with my Bare Minerals matte powder. I use this to contour my cheeks and my forehead and just kind of add a little bit more of a bronze to my face. This is usually my least favorite part because it makes me sneeze, but I like to take my setting powder and just set everything I just put on my face. After that, I'm going to start working on my eyeshadow, and I'm going to be honest, I really don't wear eyeshadow most times, but I'm going to pretend to know what I'm doing and what colors to use together. Now I'm pretending like nothing ever happened and showing you my bronzer palette, and I'm just going to be using the darkest shade on here. Onto my favorite part is highlighting, and I just go into my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and forehead. For my lips, I'm going to use the NYX Lingerie lipstick in the color Teddy. Lastly, I'm just going to use a little bit of mascara. I already have individual lashes on, which I do have a video on, so go check it out if you want to. I just want to make sure that my lashes pop a little bit more. And I'm done. I'll see you guys in my next one.